Hello, thank you for buying the Front Tool Manager. I'm going to show you quickly the main features for the tool. You can access the tool from Tools, FrontTools. The first tool is called Object Manipulation. So I just need to click on objects. Let's say that I'm far away and I want the object to show right here. So I click bring to front and it's right here. Let's say that I'm here. It's here. Another thing, I can change the distance from the camera. Next, let's say that I want to place it on the ground instead of moving, just place on ground. There's an option to match the surface rotation. This can also be disabled. Another thing is to choose the parent or the root object. Select parent. You can see that is selecting each time the parent or directly the root. It's a simple tool that is very efficient when you try to design the scene and access different aspects of the object, especially in complex objects. Next tool is the texture assignment. There is a folder with the textures. So you can see they all have pretty much the same name. The only difference is the folder name. So having a different folder name that is matching these blank materials. Yeah, rock white, sand. Another thing, I need to set up the directory for the materials. So right click, copy path and paste it here. I need to check also these fields. So for example, the rock and all other texture are called color. So I just change it to color, so it will identify the color map and match it to the color pattern. Next example was the emission. It's not exist on every folder. Let's say that I want an emission map. So let's duplicate this and call this emission. So I need to match it also here. Let's go to the assign texture, and while we check the materials, we see now that all the materials is assigned. If there is emission, it will enable. If there is not, it will disable. All the materials go into their right folder. Rock white now selected on the rock white. Also can switch to URP and assign texture. As you can see, the shader was changed. I can change the graphic settings so it won't be pink. I don't have the graphic settings here, but once you import the URP package, this material will change. Let's try to import it. Actually, I have it here, but I didn't import the example package. can click the sample and import. Now that I have the package here, in the project settings, I can select now. Doesn't matter right now, but I select one of them just to check the materials and to see if they're assigned correctly. Yeah, now universal render pipeline, and the materials are right. Of course, if I can change back to standard, it will go pink again. I can just disable the scriptable render pipeline, and it will be right back with the right texture. The last tool for now is the collider tools. Let's say that I have a complex object. I'm just mixing it up just to create this complexity. Sometimes you get object with let's say with colliders, without colliders. It could be a nested part. So let's say that you want to remove all the colliders or select only the object with the colliders. So I select the main object and select children colliders. You can see under the children collider is selected, and you can also remove the collider, of course. That's it for now. I will add more tools. I think this is very easy to use this while you design your scene and changing materials or importing materials that have missing textures. I hope you will join the video and this asset. Please write me if you have any issues. I would be happy to help and add more features on your request. Thank you and good luck.